Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Kevin Nielsen, and I'm with Moonbeam. My first EthDenver was 4 years ago, and I was blown away by the spirit of biddling and the welcoming environment. But enough about me, let's talk about you. You're in the right place this week, and you're going to have a blast. Allow me to introduce Moonbeam and the bounties we're offering this year. Moonbeam is an Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform for building dApps that can connect across chains. We call these cross-chain connected contracts, and they allow users to access features and assets on any chain. So rather than bridging from chain to chain in a disconnected fashion, users can interact with a single dApp on Moonbeam that's taking actions on multiple chains under the hood. This means you can offer your users more capabilities and hide infrastructural complexity to provide a wonderful UX. This interoperability is enabled by General Message Passing, or GMP. Moonbeam has integrated with a variety of GMP protocols that make it truly easy to call a contract on a remote chain. All you need to do is specify the destination chain, the contract address you want to interact with, and the action that you want to take. It's truly that simple. And importantly, Moonbeam is a layer 1 blockchain running on Polkadot, allowing you to seamlessly interact with other blockchains in the Polkadot ecosystem. Our first bounty is to use a GMP protocol to remotely call a smart contract. Sample projects include multi-chain DEX aggregators, multi-chain NFT marketplaces, and cross-chain yield aggregators. To be eligible, your dApp should have at least some smart contract logic deployed to Moonbeam or the Moonbase testnet. Secondly, it needs to implement a cross-chain contract call that plays a non-trivial role. As an example, if you're building a cross-chain DEX, sending a hello world message to another chain at random intervals would be considered trivial. Our second bounty is focused on improving your dApp's UX with batching or gasless transactions. Moonbeam's batch precompile allows you to combine multiple smart contract calls into a single transaction. For instance, you could batch together the approval and swap transactions for a DEX, so a user only has to confirm a single transaction. This is also safer because the user is not granting an unlimited token approval. Another possibility is to use the call permit precompile, which allows you to dispatch arbitrary EVM calls in a gasless manner. This works similarly to how you would approve a swap on a DEX with a signature, but it applies to all EVM calls, not just to token spend approvals. To be eligible for this bounty, your dApp must utilize the batch precompile or the call permit precompile, or both, to provide any non-trivial functionality. Moonbeam is, of course, fully Ethereum-compatible, and the majority of smart contracts are written in Solidity. Deploying a Moonbeam is a breeze, and we have extensive documentation with lots of step-by-step tutorials at docs.moonbeam.network. We can't wait to see what you build.